It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today I'm gonna switch bikes with my dad. Right, so for the people that don't follow the channel, I ride the Honda CB500X and my dad rides the Royal Enfield Himalayan. Right now the Royal Enfield is at the dealer because the ball head had to be changed and also the speedometer was not working. So those things are repaired now, hopefully. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna take my dad as a passenger on my bike. I thought it would be a cool idea to do this because a lot of people on my channel also like the Royal Enfield because I did a few reviews on it. And yeah, those videos are usually very popular because there are many people that watch Royal Enfield videos. Because of course in India there's a lot of people that ride Royal Enfields. So after a week or so I'm gonna do my first impressions. I'm gonna do some off-road, some commuting, and I'm gonna do a kind of a review on it. Before we leave, I want to thank all the people that commented on not the previous video, but the video before that, guessing the movie quote. Your comments are right here on the screen. At the end of this video there's another movie quote. If you guess that right, your comments will be in the next video. So now the student has become the master. We started out by me being the passenger. Now my dad is going to be the passenger. How sweet. How long has it been since you have been passenger? 10 years or something. Okay. Fast? Okay. Get it to the Right, first we're gonna get some gas and then we're gonna switch bikes. The engine sounds way more low than mine. It's a new dawn, it's the next day, and I'm gonna do some more riding. This time I'm gonna take along my girlfriend and my dog on the Royal Enfield Himalayan. So yes, let's do this. And we're back. I think I rode about 3 hours on the Himalayan yesterday and today. A little bit off-road, a little bit with the passenger, a little bit alone. So I think I have a first impression of it. I'm not gonna give it right now, I'm gonna do a separate video of it. But right now I do want to tell that this bike really invites you to ride slow. And it's actually really fun. It's really like a cruising type of ride. On the Honda CB500X it kind of invites me to go a bit faster, but this one is really like if you give a lot of gas it's not gonna go so fast, so it's just a really chill ride. So that I really enjoy. And also today 2 people said, wow, nice bike, while if I ride with the CB500X nobody says that, so it's just a really nice looking bike as well. So look forward to more Royal Enfield videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now guess this movie quote.